Hey guys, welcome back. Mike here. Mike's RC Corner episode. We're at the track today. This is the oval track, and over there somewhere is my son. There he is in the background. The off-road track is over there somewhere. There it is. There's the driver's stand, the blue container. So we're going to run some of the RCs today, and thinking about doing a series of videos of just showing you all the RCs I got instead of doing a tour of the RC basement. We're going to run a few of these RCs every day, and some of these you guys haven't never seen before, and some of you guys, if you've been around for a few years, may have seen them, and I still got them. Let's dust them off and drive them. Today we got some buggies, we got some trucks, we got some of the desert buggies with us. Right now that's the 1/16 scale ZD Racing buggy on the track. The gears are starting to go on it a bit, but we're just going to burn it out anyways. So we got a lot of spare parts anyways for it. Pretty cool stuff. So guys, hope you enjoy the video. Also going to be shooting some other videos out here today on specific topics. Hope you catch those videos too. Thanks for tuning into this and enjoy the show. Alright, here we go. Here, little man's with me. He's going to be doing the driving for this video. We're doing the series here on Mike's RC Corner. We're going to run all the models we got in the collection, and instead of doing a room tour, we're going to run these. Now this is the XC Racing car we got quite a few years ago. I believe about 3 years ago. It was on Banggood. I don't know, I'll have to look around, see if we can still find it, but it's pretty much an RC18 clone of the buggy. Great little buggy, super easy to drive. We put our own electronics in it. We got it as a kit, built it. I have the whole build series on my channel. One thing happened to this is that the rear spoiler, the rear wing, was made of Lexan, and a few flips over it cracked and broke. So I stole one from, I have many spare parts from the ZD Racing 16, and redid the holes on it and forced it on the back of this thing. So it's got a durable wing now. One thing is that body really sits tight on there. I put some holes in the front windshield to let the breeze get in there, because there's no fan on ESC. I believe it's running like a 25 amp ESC or 18 amp ESC, and a little Hobby King motor in there, I believe. Anyways, we're at the oval here. I got the ZD Racing buggy. I'll leave a link in the notes too if you'd like to see that. So we got two four-wheel drive buggies that kind of look the same, and we'll just run them around and have some fun here. So we got some racing going on here on the oval. Whoa! Oh, I'm watching him and I yo-yoed myself. There we go. Whoop. Now last night was Oval Racing Nights. Oval Racing Nights is Mondays here. I've noticed that it's developed quite a bit of a ripple pattern on the track. It's kind of got that ribbed, it goes right there into this corner, so it gives it a little bit of a challenge to drive here. Whoop. There goes the little buggy. I'm gonna drive the little buggy, see how it works. Yeah, it's actually got oil-filled shocks, guys. That's full speed. Look how it just bounces down that straightaway. Oh. I noticed here that the front shock is running off. Yes, the cap popped off. Alright guys, so yeah, shock cap bounced off. Probably a big hit. I got my tools here. I'm going to pop this off quick, and we're going to take this over to the off-road track and see how it does there. Alright guys, back at it here. Easy fix. Just a hex screw come out of the shock tower with the shock cap screwed in, or was attached to. Took the cap off, screwed it back onto the shock, and put the screw back into the tower. That was actually literally like a minute and a half fix, not even. We got her on the off-road track, which seems to be in a little better shape than the oval. You would think the oval would be in great shape. It is in good shape, but not for a mini car like this. As you can see, this thing zips along really well, and is actually handling quite well, even though one shock has dumped its oil. Quite impressive. Now I am in the process. Oh, can you run and get that quick? Thanks. I am in the process of building a track at the side of my house, but it's been so dry this summer, and where I live, it's a lot of clay, and it's just as hard as a rock. So I'm going to finish it in the fall, and it'll be just a figure 8 with a overpass. And this is potentially one of the things I might run on it, because it's just going to be a small RC track. Probably nothing much more than 1/14 scale can run on it. Maybe the 112, like the McGruff truck. I don't know. I'm not seriously thinking of that as a racing model, but it may work well on it. We'll see. But anyways, look at this thing go. It flies over the jumps well. The corner's great. 4-wheel drive. It's got little mini pin tires. We can power slide through the corners. Steering on it is fantastic. There we go. Woo!
That's great.
Yeah, I almost drive this as fast as driving a 110 buggy. I've always liked little RCs, like the Low C Mini 8. They got the new one out by Team Associated. The RC18s.
I think I can catch
The tack on. You gonna try and run and get it? I don't think so. Bye bye. Hey, 5-year-old, he thinks he can run as fast as an RC car. Oh, let's give him this chance. Anyways. Oh, weeds are getting me here. Hey, we know he'll sleep good tonight, guys. Anyways, super impressed with this buggy. I'm sure I've never had anything go wrong with it. I don't really bash it. Good running, guy. You did a great lap there. But I would guess that a lot of RC18 parts would work on this. This is actually shaft driven. So guys, we're gonna leave it at this. That wing seems to be working well. That mod, really cool stuff.
Yeah, no crazy.
It's got a 1600 milliamp hour Gens Ace battery in here. Pretty cool stuff. So thanks for tuning in to this. This has been a longer video than I anticipated, but this is running out the collection. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Leave a comment. Thanks again for tuning in. This is my son here. We're having a blast RCing. I hope you get out in RC. Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
And we'll see you on the next one, right?
It doesn't crash and get his wing broken.
Ah, no more broken wings with this guy. Alright, take care. Peace out. We'll see you on the next video.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Give me a high five. Wow.